Women are wonderful. Women have overcome so much. Women are resilient, women are strong, women are brave. Women are overlooked. Women are still seen by some as the weaker sex. And those women use that label to their advantage so they can prove the man that gives them the title wrong. Women don't need to rely on anyone else or become dependent. Women are smart, despite being looked down by those that might want to intimidate them. Women fought for the right to be heard, but there are still people that want to silence us, but we won't be silenced. I'm proud to be an independent woman. Women are wonderful and can change the world, and we will, one small step at a time.